Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to set keyboard shortcuts in Revit. Um, while we are switching from AutoCAD to Revit, it's very much hard for us to, because we have a habit of a keyboard, so, and the black background. So that thing we can set in our Revit software also. Go for a new structural template. Okay, and see, for the background of this page, you have to go in File, Options, Graphics. Here is the option Colors, Background. Okay, you can set to black. Okay, and okay. Now it feels like a CAD, right? Yeah. Okay, so but from my point of view, okay, I don't like this. I don't like the black background, but those who wants the AutoCAD feel, so they can use like this. Okay. All right. So the next thing is about the shortcuts. So we are means if we whatever we use shortcuts in the AutoCAD, that we can set here too. Okay, for example, here most of the things are like walls, windows, doors. These are not command in AutoCAD, right? We draw that and we make a block and then insert in the drawing. But here no, we have already made the families. Okay, we have existing families, so the basic things basic commands, I will say, it's totally depends to the annotate detail line, because this is the line which is similar to your AutoCAD line. Okay, which is similar. Okay, it's a 2D baseline now. Okay, so the shortcuts like line, which is detail line, or model line. There are two types of line. We will see that later, but for now we are looking for the short keys. Okay, so go for the file and options, and here in user interface you will get that option keyboard shortcuts. Okay, customize. Here first, for a detail line, I will say go to the AutoCAD line shortcut, L enter. Okay, so I will say detail. I will search that detail line. Okay, detail line is here. The default one is DL, but I want to select that option, remove, and if you want to keep that option to keep as it is, or you can remove that. Okay, so cancel it, discard the changes, customize again, and I will go for detail line, which is the AutoCAD line. I will say, I will, whether your caps lock on or off, whatever you will type here, it will be in capital letters. Okay, okay, the shortcut you type here, then assign it, the value you assign. Okay, and you will see it is added as a short key to the detail line L. All right, okay, so the line is done. What's the next we commonly use in AutoCAD? Erase. Okay, erase. But here if you type erase, you won't get that. All right, so delete is the thing which you have to set as erase. I already assigned, but I will remove that for now, and then I will assign again E, assign, okay, delete. Oh, okay, it's set. All right. Okay, what's the next one? Commonly used trim fillet. Yeah, trim. All right. So we will go for the trim. This is the trim extend to corner. Okay. I already assigned my keys, might be, yeah. Okay, I will remove everything and will assign it again. Okay, so for the trim corners, fillet and trim, in Revit we don't have fillet. Trim is the one is will do the work, okay, of fillet also. Okay, so you can set TR if you have a habit of TR for trim, assign that. And then for fillet, if you feel that fillet has to be there, place the F, enter, assign that too as per AutoCAD. Okay, AutoCAD key. Now what is the next one? Insert CAD and insert Revit. There are two options, so I will say insert CAD. For insert CAD I will say you can link CAD, I will say, not insert. In insert tab there is an option link CAD and link Revit. So bringing CAD, link CAD into the Revit, I will set as a I enter. No, we normally type in AutoCAD. So insert, we will check insert CAD, I'm sorry, not insert CAD, link CAD. Okay, that I will assign as a I and assign. Okay, so CAD will come with that. All right, now move command. So I will type here move. Those are AutoCAD commands. I am assigning the same short keys which we use because we have that habit of typing, no? So most of the people, they don't like Revit because of that, because they can't use those keys. So we can assign that. All right, so move is here and the MB is the default one. I will I already assigned that value. Okay, so you know how to assign M to there. Okay, so I assign the move and then offset. Go for the, come on, go for the offset also I assign already O. Okay, so like this you can assign the values. All right, so offset and then align. I will count everyone now. Align AL, that's fine for me. And the copy, copy, okay, COCC, that is fine for me. Rotate RO as AutoCAD, that is cool. And the mirror have two options there. So draw axis and pick axis, then those are two options. So make sure which one is most of the time in I don't know which one is because mirror in AutoCAD we have only one, mirror MI command. Okay, so just make sure which one is useful to you and assign. For me, is pick axis is good, so that's why I assign MI value to the pick axis. Okay, so the mirror is done. Now which one? Array is fine. Okay, array AR, it is already assigned as per AutoCAD. Scale, see, scale RE is a default one which Revit gives me, but in AutoCAD I use SC, so I assign SC to scale. Okay, and then units, project units, UN. Okay, I assign UN, that is fine, it's similar to CAD. And then purge unuse. Okay, you can assign here purge PU assign, okay, as AutoCAD. And then dimension linear, so here I will type dimension linear dimension, align dimension, and angular dimension, linear dimension, linear dimension. Okay, so for the I by mistake I align dimension DLA, that is the short key in the AutoCAD. So I will assign that first. D, not, don't press shift or anything, it will take as a shift or caps lock by shift or control. Don't press that. Okay, so just type DLA and assign. Okay, and dimension angular is a dim ang, right? Okay, I will remove that too, because I will explain this all. Dim ang, we are using shortcut in the AutoCAD, so I will say DIMENG. I'm pressing G, but it's not taking, because Revit always takes 5 alphabets as a shortcut. Okay, so don't worry, just we have a habit of pressing G, it's okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, I will assign that dim angular. Okay, dim ang, okay, then radial dimension. Okay, radius. Okay, so dim rad in AutoCAD, so I will say dim rad. Okay, but the D is not taking, it's okay, assign that too. Even if you type in the Revit dim ang full with the G, it will take the command. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, diameter, so dim dia. Okay, DIM D, I'm sorry, DIA, so it's not taking A, it's okay. Okay, arc length, it's not useful for me. Dim linear, DLI, so I will say DLI, assign to that. Okay, okay, the other things are fine. These are the AutoCAD shortcuts I use. Okay, so I assign them. Okay, about the what we left there, then text. Okay, text, go for the text, text, text. TX is fine for me, or you can set just T. So I will say T there and assign. Okay, okay, and what we have, the select similar. Okay, we right click on the object, select the object and right click and then select similar. No, we have that option here too, but I will say it is better to define a select similar. No, we don't have that. Okay, okay, in the select we will see select underlay pin element but face. No, select all instances in visible view. That's the one which is like similar to the AutoCAD. Okay, okay, in a visible view, and you have in entire project also that option, but don't go for that, go for this. Okay, select similar, I assign SS. That's a good one, because select similar, yeah, it will work for me. Okay, and here also, no, see, entire project. Okay, so I don't like that, but it's okay, keep, I will keep as it is for now. Okay, that's the thing. Once you set everything there, okay, for example, if you try to give a value to this select multiple as a SS, okay, once SS is already assigned, but if you want to assign that value to the other also, and if you click the assign, it will give you the warning, means it will give you the shortcut SS is currently assigned to the command select all instances visible view. Okay, so duplicates are allowed, it will say the duplicates are allowed, but that's not a good practice. Okay, so you know, see here it is already written that select all instances visible in view. That's command we assign the SS value. If you want to replace, you can replace it, you can means change that value, or you can or you comes to know that this is already assigned, so don't use that, because it will make confusion to the Revit. Okay, okay, so If you want to change that and you want to assign access to that, first come here, change to that value. You know how to remove and then type again and then assign, and go to the multiple and then type access and then assign to that. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, once you finish everything according to your CAD, okay, once you click OK, it is applied. Okay, now you cannot undo it here. If you say, once you say OK, it is applied. Now you cannot undo anything. Whatever you applied the values, all of a sudden if you came, oh, I don't need this, I will revise it again, and if you try to undo it, you cannot undo that thing. Okay, you cannot undo that thing. See here in the option, this is the undo delete selection, but you can undo the whatever you gives the option to the shortcut keys to the options. Okay, you cannot undo that. Okay, that's how you can you can do the short keys. Now your Revit becomes like an AutoCAD. You can use like an AutoCAD. For example, if I'll enter, see, I can draw a line. Whoa. All right, so if I draw a line here and I say, oh, I need to fillet this, just F enter. See, the fillet came. It's cool, right? So you can use your Revit like an AutoCAD. All right, this video is going too long, so that much for the short keys in the Revit, and you can use the Revit as an AutoCAD. So thank you. I hope you understand. You can learn from it. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Thanks.